This 2022 Entegra Coach Esteem 31F is a Class C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features a Windsor interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 47 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2022 Entegra Coach Esteem 31F is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.